Friends, my name is Ashok Sikala. In this session, we learn the conditional operator in C language, and conditional operator also known as a ternary operator in C language. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen, and here I fix the position so you can watch my video as a better way. Okay, and here Turbo C++ is there, and I just double click, and there is now open. In file menu, here I open my previous demo lecture as program, and that is a max underscore number. So I just full screen, and there is a definition. Write a program to enter two integer number and find out maximum number of that number. So here is input. You can divide in any definition of C program. There are three parts: input, process, and output. So here our two integer number is input, and maximum number of that is output, and in between we can find that number, that is our logic, or you can say that process. Okay, first I explain this program. I just alter F and save as. So here both file maintain max underscore number is already is there, and I rename this save as, not rename but save as, new name giving to this file. So rename is a just you can rename your file, but here we can save as. So two file is maintained. So here give the name like ternary, and you can say that max. Ternary operator find the maximum number, help of that, and dot C is a compulsory extension. So just press OK. Okay. So that name is changed, ter underscore max. Okay, and now we can watch this program here, taking three in, that is a link section. You have to know stdio.h standard input output, that is h for header, console input output dot h, and main section. And there are three integer x, y, and max, and clear the screen clr ser, that is the inbuilt function, and scanf printf and scanf function, that is a inbuilt function, and give the enter x value, that is message by printf, and scan by x value same as y. And here logic is start, that is process if else condition, simple if else decision statement, or you can say that branching statement in C language. So x is greater than y, then assign max equal to x, or in else part max assigned to y, and print in out of if else, that is max print, that is our output. So this 4-line coding here, 4 line is logic coding, I convert in single line, and that is possible with help of conditional operator. First I write the syntax. Okay, that is, first we can say that variable, a variable equal to, and then expression, we can say that expression 1, then question, that is symbol of ternary operator, question and colon, then expression 2 and colon sign, and then expression 3 and semicolon. So there is a syntax, I give just comment line, and now we can write taking the like here I that is our same I logic use, but if else condition I convert in ternary operator. So why it's called ternary? Because there are three parts, that is expression 1, expression 2, and expression 3. So any three operand use any expression, so, and you can use question and colon, so that is a ternary operator. So here we can give example like max equal to, within a parenthesis, in our if there is condition, if in x is greater than y, same right to here x is greater than y, then give the question and x, then colon, then y, so, and semicolon. So here if x is greater than y, this is first part, so x value hold to the max value, assigned to the max value. If condition is false, this condition is false, then y value assigned to the max variable. So same logic as above. You can, like here we can write in max equal to x, so that is a x assigned to max if this condition. This if part here write in after the question, and else part we have to write after the colon. So same as above, I just give multi comment line in this if else condition. Okay, and question slash asterisk asterisk slash, that is multi, and that double slash is a single comment line in C language. And comment line means compiler not execute this statement to our not effect to our program, just as a you can write in simple way. So here there are three parts, that is a first part, that is a second part, and that is a third part. So that is called the ternary operator in C language. So now that is ternary, or you can say that conditional operator. Okay, and also we can write like second syntax. First I here same use like variable equal to, we can say that in within a parenthesis, in like this statement we can define our own syntax to understanding. We can say that condition, then here question, that is, and then we can say that true part or block, and here we can say that false part. Okay, so that is also possible, that is same as above, but we can write in different way. So that is a condition, x is greater than y, yes, question, then x, and colon, then y. So true part we can say that here like if is a true then this, and if false then this. So here we can write true part and then after false part. So I just got these two syntax, and not for you, not for your in write your note. I just here in the above our program, and first we have to check this logic and then remove this if else condition. Okay, save again. F2 is a save, and F9 is compiled to our ter underscore max, that is new exe generated in source folder, because we can save as to our previous file. And now I just run control F9, and here 10 10 20 x, and so max is 20. Now we can declare the x is a maximum number, so 20 and then 10. So there is no any error. So same as it work as a previously if else condition, I just comment line of this statement and open to show you that is same as previously work. I just save and further run. So there is new. If you any change, that time you can first save and then compile and then run. Otherwise, it is taking all file output. Okay. So here 10 and 10, 20, there is no problem. And now I first give 20 and then 10. There's no problem. As previously worked. So I just now remove this because there is a if else my previous video lecture, and that is a example of ternary, okay, ternary operator in C language. And also we can concise or 4-line converting single line, that is logic if else condition. And now I also remove these two statements in this coding. So first our goal in any program, you can reduce our variable, then reduce our statement, then reduce our condition, then reduce our loops. That is goal of C programmer. So you can learn better way C programming. So here we can directly how it's print the y value, and we can here directly x and y. Okay, you can also write e and d as a, that is ampersand we can use as a and of and x and y value. Okay, and here we provide 2% d and comma of comma is also operator in C language, and y. So both value scan as a simultaneously same time. So let us first save F2. Yes, I can save F9. New exe is generated, and control F9 and provide 10 and one blank and then 20. Otherwise it is concatenation. Okay. So now 20 is created, there is no problem. I give 20, and you can also press enter key and then give the 10. There is no any error. But if you try to like 10 and 20, so that is one single number, and just enter, then again asking to the second value. So that is a you can provide in between one blank page. Okay, so 1020 is asking this first maximum number. So be careful when you can provide the single scanf. You can scan any number of variable, like here give the comma operator and z or dot dot etc. You can provide any number of variable in one scanf function. So I hope you can understand this program. Okay, uh, just revise the syntax. Variable name equal to expression 1, question, that is symbol, expression 2, that is colon, and expression 3 and semicolon. So we can write in simple way, variable equal to in parenthesis condition true part colon false part, and that is only one line in logic. If x is greater than y, then this condition is true, so x is assigned to this max value. Otherwise, colon part, that is y, assigned to the max variable. So I hope you can understand. And just I close this file and also implement we nested if else condition to the ternary operator or conditional operator. But before I first close this file and alter x quit this, and I show you myself, Ashok C. Jala. I am as an assistant professor work in the BCA college, and 2005 I complete my MCA, and also I am an author and two books in the market, like show you my title page in my book. So my book title page, there is folder, and here first 2000 I think 12 I publish in Nero publication in Ahmedabad. That is my name, Ashok C. and Jhala, that is author profile, and that is a hold Saurashtra syllabus BCA, BSc IT and PGDCA, that semester 1 problem solving methodology and programming C, that is first edition. And here I uh, my name is also Ashok Sen Chala. So that is my first book in the market. Okay. And also my second book in the market, 2012, that is publishing in myself, and that is my name and there my profile and my elder brother, and that is data structure using C language, that is first edition published into that is same Source University, but other university also use, because in C and DS all concept cover in these two books, that is a like textbooks in your syllabus. Okay, so that is a BCSM2 data structure. Using data structure is a very interesting and understanding subject in BCA, and you can perfect in your C and C++ and data structure, then you can learn in computer field any language. Okay, so that is I just give my idea and my reference sum. Okay, now I again open this turbo and we can apply nested if else condition to ternary operator. That is second part we can take as, and in that case I cannot write A to Z program, or first I can also use this my previous program, that is a max underscore number, and this program use three integer number and find out the maximum. Write a program to enter three integer number and find out the maximum. So here first input is a three number, then find out the maximum number, nesting if else condition, and output. So there is a, I just first save as this program and then we can apply ternary operator. So ternary, we can say that max. Okay, so ternary max and dot C is there, but our previous file is same name. So here I just remove, and copy operator is main concept, ternary operator. Okay, so we cannot replace our previous file. I just, okay, so there is new file name, and here first link section, yes, 9 and 3 I not just revise, yes, 3 integer variables scan from user side XYZ, and then now logic is start, x is greater than y, x is greater than z, then we can say that max is a x. In that else part, that max is z. If this if condition is false, then else part is start, then y is greater than, if this condition false, that meaning y is greater than x, then y is greater than z, so max is y, and otherwise max is a z. So that is a nested if else condition. and I also apply the same like here max equal to, but you can remember in first in mind you can give the proper parentheses, otherwise taking error. So here we can provide the first condition like x in the this if condition. I just take this condition x is greater than equal to y. So that is our first part. Now we can give the first or question mark. So here, and then we can parenthesis provide, and x is greater than equal to this inner if else part. This inner if else part I just write, and x is greater than z. Then we can say that question x is greater than and colon and z. So that's x is max is x and max is z. That is complete. So I provide whole parenthesis this condition because that is if part. There is a if this condition and their inner if else part. So here first our if, that is a if like, and that whole is a inner if else condition, nested if else. One if else hold the another if else, that is called nested if else. So we can same apply logic to the ternary conditional operator. So here now taking the parenthesis and now another parenthesis, and that is now start the else part, because if this condition is true, then inner if condition is there, x is greater than z, then and then x is greater than. If condition is false, then z is value assigned to the max. If this condition is false, then now here turn to this if else part if else, that we can say that it is a else, and that if else nested if else. So here I start the y is greater than equal to z. So here again question, and we can say that y is greatest and colon then z greatest. Okay, so first we can take care all parentheses is close proper sequence. So here parentheses start and here inner parenthesis. First close the inner parenthesis and then outer parenthesis. So that part is a if condition, that is if condition, and that if else, that is a part say represent this question and after. So that is if, and that is inner if else, and then else, and then in that is inner if else. So here we can also check if yes, that outer parenthesis, that is inner, then all parenthesis is complete, and that is a last, that is a main parenthesis like here, that is our last parenthesis, and after one semicolon is there. So let us check. I first comment of this program because that is a perfectly work in. If you not watch my nested if else video in YouTube, first watch, and then you can watch this video. So I just first save, and F2 is a save, yes, and compile, yes, there is no any error, and new exe ter underscore op operator, op means just short, and exe file is generated. Okay, and I again first run this file. So 10, 20, and 30. So our max is a 30. We can define the z as a maximum. Now we can define the uh, y to maximum. So 10 here directly 30 and then 20. So y value 30 is highest. Now we can declare as a highest as a x, and we can give the here yes. So x is the greatest. Okay. So I show you, if you not to watch my previous, I just comment and open this multi comment line. So that is also perfectly run. Okay. So let us check this program is work, no error. Yes, I run again 10, 20, and 30. 30 is greatest, and also you can check all possible value. Then and then you can prove your logic, otherwise it is false. Okay. So all combination of case you can study, and then you can say that your logic is perfect. So now I declare the y as the highest, and we declare in between z and x is a greatest. Now y is a greatest or maximum number, we can say that. So now I remove, because there is a previous file logic. I just remove, and we can consign all, like I just okay, there are around about 18, that first statement, then opening closing brace of this, that is three statement, then inner if else part, there is 1 2 and 3, there is three statement, there is all round about 10 statement we have to reduce, and giving the single logic, single line we have to. So I also take this file also, because we can save as. So here that file is also as it is, no change. Just look at that file. So that is, we can provide the save as method. So if you are beginner in C language, so you can save as technique too. You cannot type like this input again, that output your. And I now give the idea. I just open this file for your recommendation, how many statement in this file. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7, and here also 7, 7 to 7 plus 14 statement. And we can reduce our file, just alter F3, so close this file, and so 14 statement convert into the single line. So that is a advantage of using the conditional operator in single. That is treat as a compiler in C, Turbo C++ as a single statement, because that is a semicolon. In C language, that is rules. You can terminate with semicolon with one statement. So there is a only single statement. Okay, and I just space provide for you understanding. Otherwise, you can remove this space also. There is no any error. So I just you can understand better way. So there is very concise. You can say that very short logic. Okay, I save, and also we can apply this all in previous demo in single scanf. All these I also reduce 14 statement into single line. These four statement in the this year I just give in previous, like a percentage d and two times, because there are three variables, x ampersand, then y comma and ampersand z. And here we can give the message like x, y, and z. Enter the x, y, and z values now, because there is three values. Okay, so there is a very short. Now we can say that or 5 or 6 7 line is there only. So roughly you can here only two statement, we can six statement convert into the two statement, and here 14 statement convert into the single statement. Okay, so let us check this work where all known. Yes, you can provide 10 and one blank, 20 and one blank, 30. So if you provide not blank, that is considered single number. Okay, so 30 is greatest. We can define the z as the highest. Now we can all possible combination. We can give the 20, then 30, and then we can define the y as a greatest or maximum number. And then last we have to take 30, 20, and 10. So x is a greatest number. So it is a very easy if you understand very well. So C program is a very easy, but you have to first paperwork. And in my previous demo lecture in switch case, one demo video lecture is there. Again, what is algorithm and what is flowchart in C programming? First, we can implement the step by step, that is known as an algorithm, and data flow. We can data flow chart. We can illustrate the graphical diagram, that is known as a flow chart. So then after you can apply your programming logic. So you can understand very, and there is technique. You can first three part: what is input, what is process, and what is out. So what is a logic? So here our conditional operator in nesting, if else condition, we can convert in the ternary operator, or you can say that conditional operator. So I hope you can understand. Alter F3, I just close this file, and Alter X quit here file menu. There is a shortcut key. Okay. So I just Alter X. Okay, so I hope subscribe my channel Ashok Sijalai Company, press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video. lecture. And Hare